National news. What program has been launched by Power and Renewable Energy Minister? Option A, low fuel efficiency. Option B, energy efficiency and low carbon technologies. Option C, usage of solar vehicles. Option D, none of these. Answer. Option B, energy efficiency and low carbon technologies. Power and Renewable Energy Minister is R.K. Singh. He said a committee will be set up having members from all relevant ministries for implementation of the roadmap on energy efficiency and low carbon technologies. The main objective is of reducing CO2 emissions. Next, which company becomes first company to bring ethanol blended petrol in JK and Ladakh region? Option A HPCL, Option B BPCL, Option C Indian Oil, Option D none of these. Answer Option A HPCL. HPCL stands for Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. It has become the first oil firm to start supplies of ethanol blended petrol in the JK, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh region. The fuel to the Ladakh region is supplied from its Leh depot situated at an altitude of 11,500 feet. Next, which state launches free coaching scheme for unprivileged students? Option A Gujarat, Option B West Bengal, Option C Rajasthan, Option D Odisha. Answer Option C Rajasthan. Rajasthan has launched a Chief Minister Anuprati coaching scheme to help unprivileged students to prepare for entrance examinations to civil services and professional courses with an aim to give them equal opportunity to all. Next, which state launches two portals to provide online education? Option A Haryana, Option B Odisha, Option C Assam, Option D Uttar Pradesh. Answer Option B Odisha. Odisha government launched two online portals christened as e-Pathshala and e-Evaluation for school students in the state. Odisha School Education Program Authority OSEPA has prepared the two portals to provide teaching, evaluate the performance and conduct online examinations. Next, for which disease does Jharkhand state have launched a vaccination drive? Option A malaria, Option B dengue, Option C corona, Option D pneumonia. Answer Option D pneumonia. Jharkhand Health Department launched a pneumococcal conjugate vaccine PCV vaccination drive. The drive has been launched as a precautionary measure to keep children safe from a possible third wave of COVID-19. Under the drive, children between 0 to 8 will be vaccinated.
Obituaries. Alex Hedzigem, politician, belongs to which nationality? Option A Belarusian, Option B Indonesian, Option C Italian, Option D American. Answer Indonesian, Option B. He was an Indonesian politician who was born on 1957. He died due to complications from pneumonia and diabetes. What was the profession of Anatoly Lysenko? Option A television personality, Option B actor, Option C singer, Option D politician. Answer television personality, Option A. He was a Russian TV personality, journalist and producer who was born on 14th April 1937. He died due to COVID-19.